Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to take a paragraph on nature. Nature. Nature is what we see around us all the time. The green trees and plants, and the blue sky with the white clouds, the dark soil, the river or the pond, and the animals together make up nature. Whether we realize or not, nature plays a very important role in our life. Nature is our provider. It gives us almost all the basic things we need. Everything that we use has its roots in nature. Nature has inspired us in many ways, given us many ideas, and opened to us a lot of perspectives. Newton was able to discover gravity because of nature, and various great poets wrote beautiful poems after being inspired by nature and its different aspects. We should respect nature for all that it gives us and always look forward to protecting it and valuing it. So today's paragraph is on nature. Nature. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get more videos in English. See you next time. Goodbye.